Can governments control the weather? A factual overview. The idea that governments can control the weather often appears in conspiracy theories, but the truth is more limited and grounded in science. While some weather modification techniques do exist, no government today can fully control weather on a large scale. One of the most well-known and legitimate techniques is cloud seeding, which involves dispersing substances like silver iodide into clouds to encourage rainfall. This has been used in countries like the United States, China, and the United Arab Emirates to boost precipitation or reduce hail. However, cloud seeding only works under certain natural conditions and cannot create weather from nothing. In the 1960s and 70s, the U.S. military experimented with weather modification during the Vietnam War in an operation known as Project Popeye, which aimed to prolong the monsoon season. While it had some limited effect, it was ultimately banned. The NMOD Treaty of 1978 now prohibits using environmental modification for military or hostile purposes. Despite widespread rumors, there is no credible evidence that technologies like HAARP, High-Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, are capable of controlling the weather. HAARP is a research program focused on the ionosphere and has been falsely tied to weather manipulation theories. The concept of geoengineering, such as solar radiation management to cool the Earth, is being studied to address climate change, but these methods are still experimental and have not been implemented. In short, while there are small-scale techniques to influence certain weather events, the idea of governments controlling weather patterns or using the weather as a weapon on a global scale remains fiction, not fact. Science supports limited influence, not total control.